laging kung sino man ang sabihin ni nung mayor namin doon, yun lang ang boboto nila. Wala nang pagkakataon dahil meron sila 30,000 flying voters. O ito pa,
Mr. President,
I have
perhaps we
here.
can, with the permission,
No, don't strike it out.
Mr. President, perhaps we can ask the Secretariat to delete some unparliamentary remarks.
Talaga eh. Pinununan ng basketball player yung Sangguniang Panlunsod sa San Juan. Hindi naman mga tiga San Juan. What are we going to do with it? Dapat, yung EO ng San Juan, dapat they exercise due diligence. Ba't tatanggapin itong COC na Unit A and Domingo? Anong klase ba naman to?
Ang tama po kayo. Sabi nga ng COMELEC, kung maaari, unang-una, sila na mismo ang